The ministry is proposing a new model that remains the existing structure of 6 years of primary school, 3 years of junior secondary school, and 3 years of senior secondary school, with the goal of enhancing education quality. My name is Comfort Olainka. Welcome to Equal Blog. Stay tuned for more reports. The Minister of Education, Dr. Tunji Alausa, has clarified that the government has not scrapped junior secondary school and senior secondary school classes. He said the government is proposing an extension of compulsory basic education from 9 to 12 years while maintaining the existing structure.
9 years of compulsory education will not be sufficient for our children. And that's why we're proposing that we move to 12 years of compulsory education. And I want to reassure you, this will still stay within the ambit of our primary school, GSS and SSS. What we're saying is that we should think about moving to 12 years of compulsory education. That would also be mandatory. That will be mandatory and free. So 12 years of compulsory education within the main context of 6 years of primary school, 3 years of junior secondary school, and 3 years of senior secondary school. So we have not scrapped primary school, junior secondary school, or senior secondary school, and we do not intend to scrap this.
Dr. Alausa said the change aims to improve learning, match global education standard, and equip students with essential vocational and entrepreneurial skills. He emphasized that no decision has been made and the proposal is still under discussion as any changes would need to be approved by the National Council on Education, which oversees education policies in Nigeria.
Before we even get to final decision on this, we will be having a lot of stakeholder engagement. We have to we have to go to the governor forums, we have to engage civil society, we have to engage our development partners, we have to engage the community as well. So no decision has been made. It was a proposal that was brought to the National Council of Education yesterday. So we want the press to be very clear about this. And what we're trying to do here, we're not reinventing the wheel. This is what obtains in other parts of the world. You go to several developed nations, United States, UK, they have 12 years of compulsory education. Now go to Ghana. That's what's happening in Ghana, and I'll use Brazil as an example as well.
The minister also launched the reviewed guidelines for school-based management committee in Federal Unity colleges, which aims to decentralize school administration and empower stakeholders to take an active role in school governance and decision-making processes. Professor Suwaiba Said Ahmed, the Minister of State for Education, in a welcome address emphasized the crucial role of school-based management committees in transforming the nation's education landscape. Comfort Olainka, Equal Blog TV.